good afternoon everyone. So for today's vlog, I am going to make a continuation of my vlog from yesterday. So this will be, or the content of this vlog will be how much I paid in the VFS Global for my applications. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so today I'm going to show you guys yung receipt, and I was asking myself because I paid for the total of 7,298, and now I look at my receipt and these are the things that I paid for that money. So first is the VFS service fee. So you're gonna pay 1,238 pesos. Next is for the visa fee for short term or short stay. So it was 5,570 pesos. And then for SMS, ayan, ito yung tinanong sa akin kahapon ng in my appointment day. So tinanong niya kung gusto ko daw na maka-receive ng SMS notifications kung magsa-start na yung process ng aking visa. So magbabayad. Sabi ko yes. So dahil yes yung sagot ko, meron akong binayarang 120 pesos. That's additional also. Okay, and then ayun din, dahil sa pag-book ko ng aking appointment, hindi ko na isali yung courier kasi gusto ko lang na maihatid dito directly sa workplace ko yung visa. So ayan, nag-additional ako ng 370 pesos for courier. So in total, it is 7,298 pesos.